we have a Ghana versus UK market challenge. And our challenge is that we have $10 to make
an authentic local Ghanaian dish, which is Banku and Okro.
Oh, delicious. Nii and AJ, we challenge you to this $10 challenge. Can you make Banku and Okro soup with $10 in Ghana?
Let's see. Kiss from this dimple. Kofi and Akua, we are signing in. Hi family, today we have a Ghana versus UK market challenge. And our challenge is that we have $10 to make an authentic local Ghanaian dish, which is Banku and Okro.
Oh, delicious. However, this challenge is going to be so interesting because we have $10 and in pounds, that's £7.71.
This is all we have
for Banku and Okro soup. I mean, if we went to a Ghana restaurant, that can hardly buy us this Banku and Okro. So we are going to go over to a UK market and see if we can purchase the ingredients to make it at home. So Nii and AJ, we challenge you to this $10 challenge. Can you make Banku and Okro soup with $10 in Ghana?
Let's see.
What's up, guys? Kiss from this dimple. Kiss from this dimple. Yes, that's a clear dimple for you. Anyway, I'm Nii.
And I'm AJ. Together we are there.
Nii and AJ. Okay, so guys, disclaimer before we even continue. This place is very noisy. This is Africa. This is how our market is. Yeah, understand? Okay, so a clear dimples.
So guys, we are doing the $10 challenge. We are using it to prepare Banku and Okro soup.
Okay, so a clear dimple says we should use $10. Just $10. In Ghana city, it is I think 58 point cities. Something. Yeah, like let's say 58 cities. So challenge accepted.
Okay, Nii and AJ, if you accept this challenge, then the ingredients we need to try and buy are corn dough,
cassava dough,
fresh okra,
fresh tomatoes,
garden eggs,
spices like peppers and all of that.
Oh, seasoning,
palm oil with a bit of momone, you know.
And you know, we can't cook without meat. You know, we need to try and get an assortment of meat. You know, some willy, some beef. So, you know, those extra nice, quirky ingredients that'll just make your okra
some crab, you know.
Oh, I am yearning for the meal already. Babe, let's not waste any time. Let's go straight to the market. See you there, guys.
See you guys.
Mwah. Hi, family. Welcome to Walthamstow Market in East London. Let's go straight to the market stores.
Thanks, made it. Thanks, made it. Thanks, made it.
Is £2.99 and cassava dough is £3.89. That's already our money gone. We can't afford this, we're too broke. We definitely need to find an alternative. And we need to buy the most important thing, which is corn dough and cassava dough. My goodness, we need to find ourselves a Ghana shop which sells corn dough and cassava dough, because they'll be able to sell it in the smaller batches than that big expensive batch we saw. So let's go find a Ghana shop and see how we get on. Sister, £1. Hey, where cassava banchi more £1. No more Morrissey £1. Thank God for that. So that's £2, okay?
So this is our first item, condo. So AJ will be doing the buying and I'm going to be behind the camera. Yeah, understand.
Let me put on my nose mask. Okay. Very necessary.
Very, very necessary. So AJ, do the shopping.
So guys, you are buying our condo. Yeah. This is condo and this is cassava dough.
Okay guys, so we have the condo here. Here we call it Maka Belima. Yeah, I understand. More never tomorrow. So we are going to buy what's next, Amy?
Okro.
So we're going to get some okra. How much is it? £1. Can I have some tomatoes as well, please?
Send me the link, yeah?
Okay, I will do. All right, it's £1. Okay, so that's £2. All right, thank you very much. So we just got some tomatoes for £1 and okras for £1 as well. So on to the next. That's £2 gone off, and in dollars it is ka-ching. Let's go, guys. How are you getting on, Nii and AJ?
So we are going to buy what's next, Amy?
Okro.
Okro. Okay.
Can I make toast and so? Toast and the rubber one there. I know. Okay.
A few because we can't afford too many. So we've got some garden eggs. Let's get some peppers. Just not even much, just 3. Let's just get 3 for now. And then we will get some ginger and onions. Might be around this way. Again, not much ginger, maybe 1 stick of ginger, and then we just need some onions as well. So let's go for the onions. So the onions are bagged, so we'll just go to the till and find out how much everything comes up to. Follow me, guys. AJ, how is it going over there on your side?
Red no once, then green pepper no once. Anna, now we actually draw 50 pesos. Butter, pepper, so 1 cedi, 1 cedi. Red pepper is now expensive now, so this is the little we had. Then the green pepper, oh, we have a lot. How much onion here? 1 cedi. Okay, and the onions also have to come. Because I say, I can send him baby.
Debut. I've never started.
I've never started. So this one, so we'll take it like that. Now, ginger 50 pesos. Okay. Now, make cube back.
We have 50 pesos.
Okay, ma'am. And see, what make I?
4 cedi.
4 cedi.
How much are the onions? £1? It's not too bad. I think we should get it. Let's take it to £1. So just the 2 peppers there.
That's
18p. Good bargain. We've got ginger. Ginger there.
70.
Okay, and some garlic. 75p. Okay, so in total
It's £2.7.
£2.07. Right. So We've got £5 note there.
Sorry? 227.
60p for one, yeah?
69p and 99.
Oh, 69.
That's 230 pence and your receipt, please.
All right, thank you very much. Thank you.
Take care.
So quick update, guys. So far, we have bought our fresh okra, fresh tomatoes. We've bought the garden eggs. We've been able to get some spices, some fresh peppers, onions, and ginger. Nii and AJ, please tell me you're running out of money like we are, because this challenge is too hard. Over to you, Nii and AJ. Tell us more.
Sorry, any moon. Yeah, saying 4, 5 cities. Okay, then mommy 4, 5 cities. The mommy 10 cities. So that's our ademe. Ademe was not part of the list, but we added to our Banku Okro so that it will be very, very nice. It tastes very nice. It's very, very healthy to us. So. So, more money. The mama is like where the local now. Okay, me that's Chama me wait. Let me wait.
Let's go to a butcher's and see what we can get. We are on a budget, okay? We want to buy the cheapest item of meat you have. What's the cheapest you can buy? Shaki, anything. What's cheap?
What's the cheapest you can buy?
£1.
This one. As a check, we show you. Can't put the small piece.
Yeah, this is the shaggy. This is the £1.
£1 shaki. Oh, lovely. So we'll have the £1 shaki then.
Yes.
Guys, the only thing we can afford for a very cheap price is shaki, and it's £1. So he's giving us a very good deal.
Yes.
So can we have the shaki please for £1? And we'll definitely be coming back. He will be serving us every time, giving us very cheap meat.
Yes.
That's all we can afford, unfortunately. Yeah. Thank you very much. So that's £1 for that, guys. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Hi family.
Hello.
We are finally home from the market, and oh my goodness, we were able to afford all these things, and they all came up to a grand total of
£7.70,
which is equivalent to $10. So yes, we were able to do the challenge. However, did we complete the challenge, babe?
I don't think so. We're missing key ingredients like salmon, momone, palm oil, crab, you know, wele, what do you call it?
So you know those key things that will make an authentic Ghanaian okra soup. However, you know, we might have to just stick to what we have. I'm just pleased that we were able to even source the cassava dough and corn dough. We didn't get it from the market, but we're able to get it from a Ghana store, which is just as great.
Okay guys, so yeah, we are done buying African market for you. The noise was just like crazy. The noise is just too much.
It was unbearable, guys.
Charlie. Anyway, we finished buying everything. I hope you guys saw it. You guys were able to see how the things were fresh. Please, that is how our market is. Don't complain. That's why I'm saying our things are fresh. Our things are straight from the farm. Yeah, understand. Okay, so we're able to spend, AJ will take you through 45 cities, right?
Yeah, we spent 45 out of the 58.
Okay, so we're able to spend 45 cities out of 58. Like, we've done well.
Yes.
We have 13 cities left then.
30 cities.
Oh, okay. Akua Dimple.
Even though we didn't get our crab, we're supposed to buy crab, but they didn't farm, so.
We didn't get crab.
Yeah.
So 13 extra cities for us.
Yeah, yay! For drinks.
We'll buy Fanta. Okay, thanks guys. Thanks for having us. We are really grateful to be on your channel. Akua Dimple, big up yourself. Hey, Kofi, my man. Is it working?
So thank you guys for joining our market challenge. I really enjoyed it. What's the moral of the story? If you're contemplating whether you should, move from Western world back to Ghana, well, clearly, did you see AJ's assortment of meat and the ingredients they were able to buy? If that's not enough to make you want to relocate to Ghana, I don't know what else is. Matter of fact, go and check out the $5 challenge on Nii and AJ's channel, because we were able to do a market challenge for buying the ingredients for Ghana jollof.
Ghana jollof.
I wonder who won that challenge. Team Nii and AJ or Team Akua and Kofi? Link is down below in the description box to their channel. Until then, see you on this channel very soon, guys. Remember, leave a comment below. Let us know how you found the challenge. And if you are new to our channel, subscribe.
Like the video.
Like the video. Show some love. And we look forward to seeing you very soon. Until then, kiss from this dimple. Kiss from this dimple. Kofi and Akua, we are
signing out.
Dun, 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 dun.